Welcome to the Costa Rica rainforest storm, people. Okay, I made a video just a minute ago, well, about 30 minutes ago, about, hey, I'm going to do an outreach in Yaco Beach, Costa Rica. And then I started seeing this cloud, and I'm like, well, maybe I'm not going out tonight. It's Friday, and I know there's going to be a lot of people out, and prostitution is completely legal here, so I thought Friday would be a great day to go, despite that the roads down there have no sidewalks, and it would be completely dangerous for me to be walking. Hey, you know what, at least Thailand has some sidewalks. You know what I mean? That is awesome. I gotta show you how. I know it's time for heaven's rain. It's gonna rain. Can you hear the rain? Whoa, that was cool. Yeah, Jesus!
Everywhere I go, a feeling. The body of Christ feels like your kingdom is about to come.
Wow, come on!
Father, can you hear
yeah,
our sound of
Jesus!
desperation?
Shake Costa Rica, Jesus!
It's a prayer on the lips of every nation. Can you feel our passion? Can you see
this powerful people? Oh, there's a car. Go see it. I love it. For coming here was to rest for the rest of the year because I have a huge schedule. Jesus pulled away from the crowds to pray and fast and seek Father, and I am here to do that as well. And also, I'm going to be editing my book on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, going to the airport Thursday. So I've got to preach the gospel. Haven't been on the streets every day or anything like that because, like I said, I am resting. It's very important. I have a huge schedule because when I get back to America, I'm going to be preaching at a church in New York, and then the next week 2 services in New York, the next week 2 services in New York, the next week Atlanta, and then going to New York by plane, preaching 2 outreaches, getting on a plane the next day for Norway, 2 days later Paris, 2 days later Finland, 5 days later back to Paris, 2 days later Venice, 7 days later Malta, and then World Vision Day. So that's up until July, my schedule. So it's very important to seek God, pull aside, and I knew if I stayed in America, everybody would try to talk me into preaching somewhere, and I was in America just 45 days, February 15th to April 20th, and I went almost 10,000 miles. I went almost 8,000 in my car, and then to California and back from Texas. So that calculates almost 10,000. Oh man, come on now. I needed to get out of the country just to finish editing and prepare my schedule. So I've added Finland to the schedule. I'm very excited about that.